If you've been wondering how to export in CapCut, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step, so you can save your finished edit in the best possible quality. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just saving a project for later, exporting correctly is one of the most important final steps in your workflow. And don't worry, it's very easy once you know where everything is. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. Once you've finished editing your video in CapCut Desktop, look to the top right corner of the editor. You'll see a blue Export button. This is the button that opens the export settings and starts the process of turning your project into a final video file. Go ahead and click Export to continue. After you click it, a pop-up panel will appear with your export options. The first thing you want to do is add a title for your video. This helps you keep your exported files organized, especially if you export a lot of versions or different projects. Right below that, you'll also see your save location. If you want to change where the file will be stored, click the folder icon and choose the folder you want to save it in. This is useful if you want to send the video straight to your desktop, a project folder, or a location that's easy to find later. Next, it's time to adjust your export settings. One of the most important settings is resolution. For most platforms, 1080p is the recommended choice because it gives you a great balance between quality and file size. It's high enough to look sharp on most screens without creating an unnecessarily large file. If you're uploading to social media or YouTube, 1080p is usually the safest option. Now check the format setting. For the most compatibility across devices and platforms, MP4 is the best choice. MP4 is widely supported, which means it's less likely to cause issues when uploading, sharing, or playing back your video on different apps and devices. If you're not sure what format to use, MP4 is almost always the right answer. After that, look at bitrate. For most users, the recommended option is the best setting to choose. This helps CapCut balance video quality and file size automatically, so your export looks good without making the file too heavy. If you want a simple export process and you're not trying to fine-tune every technical detail, recommended is the easiest and most efficient option. Once your title, save location, resolution, format and bitrate are all set, take one final look at everything to make sure it's correct. If you're happy with the settings, go ahead and click Export. CapCut will now begin rendering your video and creating the final file. Depending on the length of your project and the power of your computer, this may take a little time, so just let it finish. When the export is complete, your video will be saved in the folder you selected, ready to upload, share, or keep for backup. And that's it. You now know how to export in CapCut using the best basic settings for most projects. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.